Namaste. Uh, One simple procedure and hundreds of benefits. One simple act and a beautiful feeling. One simple doing action and feeling in a heavenly experience. Yes, this is a formula for your mental health, emotional challenge if you are suffering with low energy, low fatigue, tiredness, if you are suffering with frustration, fear, if you are suffering with focus and concentration challenge, as well as arthritis, joint pain, stress, then this is a beautiful practice. You should do it. Do this for 3 times or 9 times or 11 times on the regular basis, minimum 21 days to 3 months to feel the effect in you. Yes, this is a mantra practice, called it as a Jala Chikitsa in Ayurveda. This is also known as a Kalash Avahan Chikitsa in our Adhyatma. So, this is not only a Ayurvedic therapy, but this is a Adhyatmic integration. So, let's practice this mantra therapy. This mantra is कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु कंठे रुद्र समाश्रिताः मूले तत्र स्थितो ब्रह्मा मध्ये मातृगणाः स्मृताः कुक्षौ तु सागरा सर्वे सप्तद्वीपा वसुन्धरा ऋग्वेदो अथ यजुर्वेदस् सामवेदो ह्यथर्वणाः अङ्गैश्च सहिता सर्वे कलशन्तु समाश्रिताः अत्र गायत्री सावित्री शान्ति पुष्टिकरी तताः आयान्तु देवपूजार्थं क्षयकारकाः आयान्तु देवपूजार्थं क्षयकारकाः गङ्गेश्च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु कलशाय नमः सर्वोपचारार्थे गन्धाक्षतपुष्पं समर्पयामि. So this is a very simple method to practice at least morning and evening. So because your body is made up of 70% of water, as Mother Earth is made up of 70% of water, the more you are connected by offering this sound healing, you are going to be flowing in a high energy level. Namaste.